Hi guys, welcome back to our Headset Homies! They were playing Job Simulator, being a mechanic, yeah? And let's get into it!
Hello, human.
Hello!
This is an accurate simulation of auto mechanic.
Okay!
Take a look at this board for instructions.
Oh, look how fast I did that, guys! Oh my god, whoa, that's so... Oh, why does it keep on doing this every time? Sorry guys, it keeps on lagging out again, bro. Sorry guys. So, let's get into it!
Good morning, human.
Good morning,
I'll
miss.
require a tune-up.
Yeah.
Let's take a look under the hood.
This spot just needs a little fluid.
I'm
No
gonna
problem.
do this, because...
This vehicle's power source appears to be unacceptably inefficient.
Sorry guys, it's really... Oh, there we go. What a parts of... What's this? It's like a... Oh, batteries. Batteries in green. I'm gonna say that one. Alright? I need to take that one out. A new one in.
Well done.
heck?
That's looking
Guys, what
very
is
far.
this?
Press the button to drop it back down when you're finished.
What button? Where's the button? You can tell I haven't played this game. Oh, there. You can tell I ain't played this game, can
In
you?
shops like these, everything had a price. Make sure you bill the customer for the use of your highly valuable time.
Oh, there. Sorry, guys. Who do I give it to? No! I don't even know where I am right now, guys. I got it. There you go. There we go.
Oh,
Did my
thank
first
you,
car!
I'll get
Yeah!
this taken care of right away.
It's my first game.
Very good, human.
Played.
But we're just getting
Ah,
started.
come on.
The world of auto mechanic has so much more to offer.
Yeah, guys, yeah. So all we do really is just do cars, basically. It tells you what to do and everything. A bit like the store clerk, if you've ever saw one of them. I have, because, you know.
Human, I've got this coupon for a Sleaze Spot special, whatever that is. Says that there's a discount, so hurry up and take care of my car.
I don't know how
Move
to
on.
scan it, so.
Human, over here. I'm Sleazebot, the owner of this fine establishment. Now this spot's got a coupon, so let's take real good care of them by sabotaging their car and making them come back later for more work. Okay, pistons in the engine? Don't need those.
Just recombobulate the thing there. How about my headlight fluid? How's that looking? Yeah, I know about cars.
Headlight fluid? You name it, we got it. Get this spot some headlight fluid, human.
Nah. Unfortunately. What? What's that? Oh, is it in fluid? I've got to go around this wall that I'm in because I didn't think I had enough. I thought I had enough room, but clearly I didn't. And now I can't reach most of the stuff. But, you know, guys, where's the... Any? Let's go with hot sauce, actually. Oh. Huh. Where's the... Oh, I need the parts again. I need to get him a new headlight. Whoa, what the heck? There we go. Oh my my, what the heck? Headlight, got it. Go back onto fluids. Oh my! Guys, I'm not doing a very good job today, am I? Finally.
Hey,
Oh,
human,
finally.
while we're dealing with fluids here, why don't we spice up their gas tank with a little secret ingredient that'll ensure they're back later for more work?
Stash. Oh, I hate using this thing now. I might not play this game now. But I'll finish this video for you. Why not? I need the sugar. Don't I, guys? Where am I putting it? I gave him some
Now
free
give
sugar
them this
dinner.
new coupon I came up with when you're done messing with their car.
There you go, sir. I've still got to reach. Take it. There we go. There we go, guys.
Oh, another coupon, is it? I do like discounts. You've really earned my patronage, good human.
Ah,
Nice job with that, bud. You did all right, human. Now
Yeah,
you
so
keep
that's
at
our
it. I'll be
second
in the
car
back
this time?
counting the money.
yeah, sir. I did a good job this time. See how fast I can do it. Oh no, I closed it. I like this game. I've never played it actually, but I've played a little bit and I've watched my friend play it. Because he's my VR team.
Well, I just got this beauty at the local junkyard. Just needs a little love so I can drive it legally. What do you say?
Human
Yes.
transport vehicles had to be evaluated for safety regularly. Broken components like these headlights would have to be replaced before evaluation.
Oh, I hate trying to put this back up. But you know, I don't know what I need. One. Two different colours, why not?
The air filter's not doing too good either. Want to take a look at that?
Yeah,
The
sure,
air
sir.
filter's under the hood, human. Keep up, all right?
Air filter. This one? I did it.
Oh, wait. Now, how about my rust problem? Figure you could cover that up with a fresh coat of paint?
What? What colour, sir?
Well, that looks good as new.
Yeah.
Makes that old hood ornament look,
Aesthetically displeasing.
think you can swap that out with something new and shiny?
Oh. How did I do what?
Well, reboot my hard drive. It's like a whole new car. Drop it down and give me that bill so I can show it off to my buddies. Thank you kindly, human.
You're welcome. you can actually get inside their cars, which I'm going to show you later on. Yeah. Don't tell anyone. You can rev it, you can like, you know. Woo, woo, woo. Taxi!
Hello, human. I am required by law to do emissions test on my vehicle. Get it done so I can get out of this dump. Thank you.
Guys. You hear that?
This looks like a lot of work. Let's see if we can figure out a shortcut. Check my stash. See if there's anything in there that could help us.
Guys, I'm gonna end this here. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and watch the rest of our videos, and I will see you in the next one.